Circle the correct answer. No partial credit. The point r theta, that means polar coordinates, -2 comma -5 pi over 6, lies in which quadrant? 1 2 3 4. So let's try to plot this point. Okay, whenever we have r negative, then we just first plot without negative, just 2 -5 pi over 6, and we need to find the inverse point. Okay, just the mirror image with respect to origin. In this case we need to say pole. So 2 -5 pi over 6 would be, we have a polar axis, go clockwise. Negative means, this angle negative means clockwise, 5 pi over 6, almost pi. Pi means 180. It's not 180, so we are very close to 180 here. Okay, so this is pi over 2, this is 3 pi over 2, this is pi. So we are going clockwise of 5 pi over 6. Okay, and 2 means this radial distance is 2. Now our point is in fact -2. Okay, this negative means now we have to go the other side, not this way. So 1 2. So the final point that we are looking for, this is -2 -5 pi over 6, which is in the first quadrant. So the answer is quadrant 1. Okay, we just plot 2 -5 over 6 and find the inverse point because r is negative. Now number 7, there is r no 1 2 triangles satisfying the condition. So let's try to solve for one angle and see what we get. So we have a generic triangle ABC. So this is lowercase a, lowercase b, lowercase c. A is 60 degrees, b is 4, and a is 2 by the way here. So angle and its opposite sides are given. B is given, so we will be able to find B. I hope based on this angle B we can conclude about this. Okay, so let's find B. For we use the law of sines, so sine A over lowercase a, so sine A over A equals sine B over B. Sine B is 2, we determined, over 4. Sine 60 degrees is √3 over 2. Okay, the value of sine 60 is √3 over 2, that on the bottom 2 and 2 4. So this will be √3 over 2, that 2 and already 2 on the bottom 4. 2 times 2 4 equals sine B over 4. Now we can cross multiply and try to solve for B. In fact 4 from the bottoms cancel. When we cross multiply we get sine B equals √3. Okay, sine B equals √3 is about 1.732 etc. Now we are getting an angle B whose sine is bigger than 1. As we know, sine has the at most 1. I mean the sine of any angle is always in between -1 and 1, but this is bigger than 1. That means there is no angle B. No angle B means there is no triangle satisfying this A. Okay, let's move on to 3. Which of the following polar equation represents a circle? So r equals 10, just the radial distance always 10 from here, pole always 10, so we have a circle. Okay, this is circle. R cosine theta equals 10. R cosine theta is in fact x, so x equals 10. If we convert this into rectangular coordinates, we get x equals 10, which is a vertical line. Okay, 0 10. So this is not a circle. and r equals a number cosine theta or r equals a number sine theta, these are always a circle. So in this case, cosine means along x-axis. If we want to draw this this circle in rectangular coordinates, okay, that's along x-axis, cosine. So plus 10 means on the right side, half of 10 would be 5, so 5, 0 is the center, and we have a circle passing through the origin. So this is also circle. So 1 and 3 are circles, 1 and 3.